Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Friday and you're all ready for the weekend. Well, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what exactly is in the bag. Kind of thick. Hang on, I see Joy Sunday. Let me get a hold of it. All right. Get that all off. All right. We have 3 Joy Sunday kits, and they have come from the Fansells company. So that's fansells.com. And if they have any specials or any discount codes, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's take the first one off the stack. And it's called Dogs and Family. It's a 14 count, 18 by 26, $2.51. Well, if I can get it out of the bag, you know how it goes. Comes in the typical Joy Sunday bag. I think by now y'all got this. Let's turn it around here. So we have the dog and the fan, and I'm not sure what that is right there. Maybe the lock on the window? I got nothing. I have no idea what that is. And this says June. And it has 33 colors. You have 2 French knots, 2 back stitch, and then 33 colors total in the full cross. Oh, it's all, I'm trying to open it up. So it's all on one thing. Got a little mush there, but it is readable and legible, nice and big and easy to see. But I just thought this was kind of whimsical. So, oh, I forgot to tell you how big it was. It is 73 by 106. Comes with 2 needles, and it comes on the good thread cards. You have 2 of those. So the first one has kind of a yellow orange and kind of a yellow, and they're using 3865 for the white. And looking through the numbers, I don't know any of these at all, but they're pretty. I don't see any 310 black. Do have a couple shades of gray, kind of a brownish, kind of a taupe color, medium and light. Kind of a pale pink up down here and a teal. So lots of beautiful colors. Now this kit does look like it has been damp. So with 33 colors, I am not even going to go any further. It is smeared in here and you cannot tell the difference between them. So moving on, there I guess there's still a few stragglers here. So that got wet last year, or maybe they even got wet in the rain this year. Okay, moving on. This is another Joy Sunday kit, if I could just get it out of its bag. Come on, little thing. It's in there pretty dang tight. And this one is called 12 Black Cats. 14 count, 46 by 43, $10.84. But yeah, I just thought it was different. I just like the montage, if you will, of all the mix of cats and what they got on them. It reminds me of those cats that we got way back. It's been 2 or 3 years, and they all had something different. Some of them were Christmas and Thanksgiving and Easter and New Year's and all that. But yeah, it's all condensed down into one. And I'm not seeing any back stitch. Maybe in the whiskers. I got nothing until I look at it. So yeah, it is 207 by 193. So very well printed. It looks like whiskers are the Oh, there's a little bit right around here, but nothing too nominal. Some circles here. Most of it's in the whiskers, I'll give it that much. A little bit in the center of this flower. So very nominal back stitching. So if back stitching isn't your game, this is almost perfect, because it's still got back stitching, but not too much. It's just kind of scattered. We have 23 colors, full stitch, and 5 colors in back stitch. They have the paper patterns key and the key for the canvas. So very nice, very well printed, very easy to see. So I hope those turquoise colors will come out. I don't know right offhand what we got, but we got 310 black. I'm not seeing any reds. No 823, no 939. We are using 3865 for the white. So yeah, this would be a great stitch for a beginner. I know it's big, but it looks like there's no confetti at all. Now this all comes on one thread card. So here's your 310 black, your 3865. You got quite a bit of that. We got some orangish yellow again. There's your teals. They're not as bright as I thought they would be. This one's kind of a turquoise. This is more of a light olive greenish. I don't know. And there's more 310 black over here. Got these beautiful blues and oranges. Yellow, yellow, orange. Gorgeous. So yeah, if you wanted to start something, and it's of size, but the pattern, can you see that? There are bigger areas to stitch. It's not all confetti, shall we say. All right, let's see if we can get this one open. Yep, it looks like it has not been wet. And we have 12 black cats up here and the product number at the top. Down the side, we have how many stitches per stitch. And a very nice, big, lovely key on the bottom. Let's see if we can measure this. It is serged all the way around, and it is also on that off-white color. We have 18 inches or 45.5 centimeters by approximately 42 centimeters or a little over 16.5 inches. The actual picture size is 34 centimeters or a little under 13.5 inches by 14 3/4 inches or 37.5 centimeters. So yeah, it's a nice size. You could work on a block a month, whatever, you know, just go from here to there, but there's not an extensive color palette where you'd have to be changing colors all the time. So yeah, I think it'll be awesome. All right, let's see the last one. I lost it. I didn't know where I set it. I set everything else on top of it. Let me open this up. And this one, it was $11.86. Still under $15. You cannot beat that. This is called Flower Covered Bridge, 42 by 48, 14 count, 190 by 220. It's just right there. But look at that picture. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. I love the pink flowers. I love the bridge. It's kind of almost monochromatic, except for when you get to the, you know, putting in branches and defining the bridge. So there's going to be some back stitching, but we kind of knew that would happen. But I thought it was an absolutely stunning picture. I love this. The paper pattern is separated into 6 parts. Shows you right there, so you just go to the number at the bottom, and you will have number 3. So some of them are this size, and some of them are full page. Hang on, we'll get there. But there is back stitching in the branches of the trees to bring it out, to kind of give it a little bit of definition. You got back stitching on the bridge as well, and the 2 little flower pots at each end. But look at those flowers. Oh my goodness, what have I done? Yeah. Okay, moving on. Has 2 sets of numbers. First set goes to the paper pattern. Second set goes to the canvas. And it looks like it's fair good size anyway on the canvas, so that's a good thing. I usually put this in the Joy Sunday bag like this, where the window's at, and that way all I have to do is kind of glance over and I can see, well, that's that and that's that. So yeah, that's how I usually run things when there's a lot of colors. We have a total of 55 colors. Speaking of colors, we have 54 colors in full stitch. We have 4 in half stitch, 1 French knot, and 4 different back stitch. But there's a total of 54 colors. So there's 4 different colors for the back stitch. Let's see, what have we got? No, 310 black. We have 3031, which looks pretty close to a black. Nothing else I know of. Like going down there. No, 3371. And when they're using 3865 and B5200 for the whites. So, very well printed, very well done. Good job, Joy Sunday. And Fansells. Let's get out the colors and take a look at them. I have a feeling they'll be pretty much close, color palette. They do come on a good thread card. We do have that, there's that number, 3799, which is that pewter charcoal. Right now it's looking like dark charcoal. Sometimes it looks more like a silverish, if you will. Look at that beautiful mahogany. Guess that's more of a brick red. I thought it was more on the pink tone. Beautiful colors. There's going to be lots and lots of green, so green is your game. This is your stitch. Now that's more of a rose color, like a dark rose. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Pinks, you know, like pastels, darker colors. Maybe not quite so dark. I'm not see. There's, except for that 3799. I gotta remember that number. Nothing dark. So very nice, beautiful, beautiful colors. It gives it that overall antique look that I do like. I used to have some prints. Don't get excited, they weren't numbered. But prints that had just that palette of colors. So I've always liked that and been drawn to it. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. It looks almost springy, if you will, with that yellow green. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Oh, everything's drooling on my desk. Time to clean the desk. Okay, let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas is, I can't tell. I think it's on a white this time. Beautiful canvas. Product number here, how big it is here. But I want you to see the key. Nice, big, huge, easy to see key. You can read the thread card numbers and see the symbol and the DMC numbers. It's just lovely. It's a little bit longer than it is the other way, so it'll fit on my desk. This is going sideways. All right, total amount is 47.5 centimeters, or about 18 3/4 inches by 42 centimeters or 16.5 inches. Actual picture size is 13.5 inches or almost 34.5 centimeters by, oh dear, let's see, almost, a little over 39.5 centimeters and a little bit over 15.5 inches. So it's good size. It is full coverage. Before I forget to tell you that, I will show you the canvas, and it's going to have way more confetti than the last one because, yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but it's gorgeous. Very well printed. Very nice. Easy to see. Just lovely. And it's going to be one of those, I don't know if you can see those blue. They're going at a diagonal. Those are half cross stitches, so they're mixed in with everything else. Oh, that's just lovely. My specialty, but the background in the sky is all half cross stitch and a little bit down through here. So yeah, that's always kind of a challenge. And I don't know why they did that. They have two green symbols back to back. We have a green slash mark going left and a green circle. Come on, people. Get it together. And then you got to put the half cross stitch in. Yeah, we'll be starting that one today at 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Yeah, so be there. Okay, that is all that I got from Fansells. Thank you, Fansells, for the two beautiful kits. One, not so much. All right, now Fansells has cross stitch, diamond painting, and diamond painting and cross stitch. They also have puzzles and paint by numbers. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They always have great sales, great prices. Do check them out. Thank you everyone for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.